Welcome back. Ever wonder how peptides actually work? It's all about delivering the right message. Step 1. The peptide signal. Think of a peptide as a specialized text message specifically for your cells. Next, that peptide travels to a receptor. It's like a key finding its perfect lock to ensure the message hits the right target. Step 3 is cell activation. The receptor recognizes the message and gets the cell's internal machinery moving. Finally, the biological response. The cell follows the instructions to create real, impactful changes in your body. Just remember, peptides don't force your body to do anything. They deliver information, and your body decides how to respond. Better signals lead to better outcomes. Visit us at peptribe.us to learn more. See you in the next lesson.